Today, let's embark on an exciting adventure by building a magical nature treehouse. Start by gathering materials like sticks, moss, and leaves, anything you can find in your backyard. Begin by selecting a sturdy tree and design your treehouse layout. With your child, create a base using sticks for support and then decorate it with moss and leaves, highlighting the beauty of nature. Encourage your little one to express creativity by personalizing their space. Think of fun names for it. Building together fosters teamwork, promotes imaginative play, and develops fine motor skills. Remember, safety first. Supervise your child's use of tools and always remind them to respect nature. Get ready to explore and enjoy the magic of your new creation.